Welcome to Science. We are on pages 112 and 113. Composition of the biosphere. Did you know that since its formation 4,650 million years ago, the Earth has been in a state of continuous transformation? Some of the changes are the cooling of rocks, variations in the atmospheric composition, and the formation of oceans. However, the most important change was when life began 5,500 million years ago. The biosphere, which includes all living things and the outer layers of the Earth, is divided into three zones: the atmosphere, hydrosphere, and lithosphere. The components of the biosphere are connected, so any change in one of them affects the others. The atmosphere is a layer of gas almost 10,000 kilometers thick that covers the entire surface of the Earth. In addition to gases like oxygen and carbon dioxide, it also has liquid and solid particles in suspension. In these gases and particles, climatic events occur, and they also regulate how energy travels to and from the planet. This means they protect us from extreme cold or heat. As far as we know, the Earth is the only place in the universe that supports life. Astrobiologists, scientists dedicated to finding life on other planets, believe that in order for life to develop and survive on a planet, water in liquid form is necessary. All the chemical processes necessary for life require water. The discovery of what appear to be dry riverbeds on Mars leads us to believe that life could have existed on that planet, although probably only microorganisms. The hydrosphere consists of all the water on Earth: oceans, seas, rivers, lakes, groundwater, glaciers, polar ice caps, and the small drops of water in the atmosphere that form clouds and fog. The lithosphere consists of the Earth's crust and the upper part of the mantle. On the continents, this layer can be up to 200 kilometers thick, and under the oceans, it is between 50 and 80 kilometers thick. Did you know that the water cycle is a process that most of the water in the hydrosphere takes part in? What is the biosphere and what are its components? The biosphere refers to all living things and the layers of the earth that allow their survival. It includes living things, the atmosphere, the hydrosphere, and the lithosphere. Complete the table with the corresponding characteristics. Atmosphere, a gaseous layer that produces meteorological phenomena. Hydrosphere, the oceans, lakes, rivers, groundwater, and polar ice caps. Lithosphere, it is the layer formed by the Earth's crust and the upper mantle. Analyze the following information and answer the questions. Antarctic ice is formed from all the snowfall on the continent for hundreds of thousands of years. Under the surface, there are air bubbles that have been trapped for thousands of years and whose composition has been analyzed. It was discovered that the concentration of carbon dioxide in the atmosphere 200 years ago was 280 parts per million. Now it is 380 parts per million, which is the highest recorded measurement. Why is the concentration of carbon dioxide higher now than it was 200 years ago? Carbon dioxide levels are higher now due to increase in the use of fossil fuels. How does the analysis of the Antarctic ice provide evidence that our planet changes? It shows that the concentration of carbon dioxide in the atmosphere varies. Summarizing, biosphere consists of living things, atmosphere, hydrosphere, and lithosphere. The atmosphere consists of gases, hydrosphere consists of water, and lithosphere consists of Earth's crust, upper mantle.